Well, students, we are back. Last video we learned some vocabulary, right? I hope you did the homework, the meanings of the words. You should have written it down, the words, like 5 words that we learned last time. All right, in this video we are going to go to the reading article, low diet. So if you have your textbooks, take your textbooks, please. It's on page number 37. You know, we have done few exercises like this, and there are many lessons on this textbook. Make use of the textbooks, go through the other reading articles, again do the exercises that I have been doing, and practice. All right, so low diet, and I want you to read the paragraphs. You can read a little bit slow, it's fine, because what we are doing is right now we are just practicing and trying to find the keywords in the paragraphs. Okay, so I'll just read the first paragraph or the second paragraph, and then I want you to find the keyword. So the keyword is the most important word. It means what the paragraph talks about it. Okay. All right. So this one, the title of the article is Chances a Low-Fat Diet Will Help. So that's the question. Slim or none? So look at the title. You know, the title is a little bit, you know, it's strange. Yeah. Chances a low-fat diet will help. So do you think the low-fat diet will help? Slim. Slim is your body becomes thin. Okay, lean, thin, slim, and none. So none is nothing is happening. So you have low-fat diet, but nothing happens. Yeah. All right. So it's not a low diet; it's low-fat diet. So that's more important. Okay. All right. The first paragraph, like what does it talk about? Let's see. What does it say? The first sentence or a couple of sentences. The largest study ever to ask whether a low-fat diet reduces the risk of getting cancer or heart disease has found that the diet has no effect. Yeah. So what do you think is the key word in this? Just a couple of sentences, right? The key word is no effect. So that's the key word. So that's what we need to know. That's what this news article talks about. So it says low-fat diet, it doesn't have any effect. Okay. So they're going to talk about this. They have to explain it. They have to give examples. Maybe they have to talk about a study or some evidence they have to show, right? Yeah. All right, the second paragraph talks about this. 415 million, so there's some number. It's a study. Dollars maybe they spent, and 49,000 women participated in this study. It seems 50 to 79 years old, right? And then so what do they say? They say in the end, those assigned to a low-fat diet had the same rates of cancer, heart attacks, and strokes as those who are like they didn't take the low-fat diet, or they didn't have or follow the diet, low-fat diet. So it seems the no effect, and then now they are giving an evidence. So in this paragraph, right, what is the keyword? The keyword is the study. Yes, it's okay. It talks about the study, right? So the study says that it's no effect. So I have read like paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. You know, this exercise, I hope you can all do it. Read third paragraph and then underline the keyword. Read the fourth paragraph, underline the keyword, and see whether you're able to, you know, get the keywords, able to understand what the paragraph talks about. And the rest are some details like the amount, how many millions, like 415 million, it's an amount, and 50 to 79 years, that's about their age, and who participated in the study, women. So that's all, these are all the details of the study. And even what kind of study is this? This is like a federal study, so that's like done by the government. Yeah. All right, so I want you to read the rest of the paragraphs and find what do they talk about, and then you watch the second slide that I'm going to show you, because the second slide has the keywords. Okay, so let's see what are the keywords in these slides. Finding keywords, so that's the exercise. All right, okay, here we go. You know, this one I talked about it already, the skimming and scanning skills. Always remember, that's why I show you this slide. Don't read word by word. When you find the keywords, don't read sentences after sentences. Quickly read and see, okay, I see the paragraph talks about this. This is what you have to find. Okay? All right, let's see. Okay, so we have this. You know, I showed you this kind of pages before, and again, it's your job to find the keywords. Okay, so the first one, I have also like given you the direction what you have to do. Read the title and then the topic, and then try to guess based on the vocabulary what kind of article is this, and then you go for the vocabulary. Yeah, and okay, so here the keywords are there. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, so you read, you underlined some keywords, and then the keywords that I have shown you on the slides are the same. Yeah. You know, I have given you more than one word so that, you know, I told you before, the keywords will be repeated. That's the main word, so they have to talk about it. Yeah. So here, the other paragraphs, low diet, no effect, we talked about it. The study, we talked about it. That's the federal study. And then what did they talk about? What do they say in the next paragraph? It's all about this. Yeah. Stop to this era of thinking. So it means stop thinking that low fat diet, I keep saying low diet, I don't know why, low fat diet has no effect. So stop thinking about it. That's what the next paragraph talks about it. And then so what to do, and how to reduce weight, or how to be healthy. Yeah. And then the next paragraph talks about this. It's not about the low diet, it's not about this, it's not about that. You know, you just follow the federal guidelines. You know, they tell you something about how to live a healthy life. It's not about the low-fat diet. So that's the keyword in the next paragraph. And I'm going to show you more keywords. Again, do this exercise. You know, don't look at the slide, don't listen to me. You can pause it, go through the paragraphs one by one, and then find the keywords in all the paragraphs. Okay, even the paragraph has just 2 sentences, so you still try to find the keywords. Okay, so I will see you in the next video, and you can check the rest of the keywords, the rest of the paragraphs. Okay. So I'll see you in a minute.